I couldn't believe it when I found out that the first permanent US Gundam Base store was opening up in my hometown. So of course, one of the first things I had to do when I got home for the holidays was go scope it out. I missed the grand opening because I was traveling, so I went a few days after. Now I got there right when the store opened, so I was able to walk right in. The store has 4 huge aisles packed full of exclusive kits. The inventory did seem a little picked over by the time I got there, as they didn't have some kits that I saw in Google reviews and other videos. The good news is I overheard some employees saying that they would be restocking within the month. Either way, there were still so many cool and limited kits to go through. The centerpiece in the store was a long row of these recirculation color kits, the Wing Zero Verka and the Astray Red Frame. Now when I saw these kits online, I wasn't that into them, but seeing the display in person, the Astray really jumped out to me. I figured I'd do a lap around the store and then pick it up. There was a Gundam Base custom color of the real grade RX-78-2 version 2.0. Now this is a phenomenal kit, and if I didn't already have a regular one, I would have grabbed one of these. I was hoping to get this Barbatos Lupus Rex, but it was out of stock. However, they did have the Hijiro Boshi in the iron-blooded coating. The back wall of the store is pretty much all master grades, and that's where I thought all of the coolest stuff was. One kit that I was curious to check out was the Silver Coating Freedom Gundam. Now I'd been eyeing it online for a while, so I really wanted to see it in person. And I thought the display had such a good shelf presence that I decided to grab one. I'm always a fan of the Curios, but that purple Exia next to it though. This neon green unicorn. I would have loved to see the Psycho frame displayed. This mechanical clear new Gundam Verka caught my eye on the shelf, but the real showstopper was the Sazabi. I was so close to picking this up, but I thought I'd keep it on my wish list for my next visit. I still have yet to build a perfect grade. I'm trying to decide which one should be my first. I love the MGSD line, and if you haven't built one of these kits, I definitely recommend picking one up. They had some Gundam Base exclusive real grade kits, including the titanium finish High New and New Gundams. And the mechanical core plating Sazabi, which looks amazing in person. Just the price tag hurts a bit. These weapon sets are great for kit bashing. Along with all the limited kits, there was a good selection of standard releases. I've been loving all the G-Quux kits, especially the designs of the Zakus. I always recommend these Witch from Mercury kits for beginner builders. The Calibarn is a fun, simple build with a big impact. Gundam Wing is the series that first introduced me to Gundam and Gunpla when I was a kid, so these kits are the most nostalgic to me. There was a whole row with other Gundam goods like Gundam artifacts, some keychains, and some plushies and other stuff. On the other side was stationary action bases and some tools, including these cutting mats, which I thought were really cool. I decided to get the G-Quux one and slid it into my bag of kits. At the checkout, you can buy the card game packs and Gundam Assemble. I'd say making the trip to Gundam Base was definitely worth it.